Hey beautiful people, welcome to our channel. Quick review of this Mr. Cool split unit, air handler unit, and outdoor unit we installed last summer. Going great performance, really good performance during peak winter. Just came out of outside. I have this on. Really good piece of equipment. I'll recommend it if you're doing DIY. There is a heat kit installed as well, functioning. We're just running it on heating only for now. This is the condensation during summer, working great as well. And also, you know that we did our return, we did our ducting too. That's the radius. If you go 90-degree radius, if you go back on my channel, you can see it. It's really great. Here it is, 19, almost 19. So awesome. There's register all around over there as well. You can see, pretty cool system.